Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to activate your crypto.com virtual credit card in 2025. If you've got a crypto.com account and a virtual card waiting to be activated, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and secure, taking just a few minutes to get you spending with ease. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest crypto.com app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, download it, and log in with your existing account credentials. Once you're logged in, the home screen will greet you with various options. Tap on the Cards or Wallet section to proceed. Next, locate your virtual credit card. It should be listed under your available cards. If it's your first time, you might see a prompt to view or activate it. Select your virtual card, and you'll be taken to a dedicated page with activation details. Now, for security reasons, crypto.com will ask you to verify your identity. This could involve entering a one-time PIN sent to your registered email or phone, or perhaps scanning your ID if you haven't done so already. Don't skip this step, it's crucial for protecting your funds. Once verified, hit the Activate button. You'll then be prompted to set a PIN for your card, which is a 4 to 6-digit code for transactions. Choose something memorable but secure. After that, you might need to add funds to your card from your crypto.com wallet. Simply select the amount and confirm the transfer, easy as pie. And just like that, your virtual credit card is active and ready to use for online purchases, subscriptions, or even contactless payments via your phone. In 2025, crypto.com has made this even smoother with enhanced features like instant notifications and better integration with other wallets. Remember, always monitor your transactions for safety. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy spending with your new virtual card.